Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher. I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, let me remind you that in last class we have completed the reading and understanding of lesson number 10. Because the lesson was quite big, so we were not able to complete the question and answer of lesson 10. Okay, just I have given you homework to complete the question and answer of lesson number 10 by yourself. So today, in today's class, we are going to discuss all the question and answer of lesson number 10. After that, we will complete the activity number 1 of lesson number 10. Okay, so this is today's target of today's class. So let's start today's class. Before starting class, I want to remind you that what you have learned in lesson number 10. At the last of lesson number 10, it was explained that service is also like a prayer. Okay, it means that when we are serving the humanity, or if we are serving any people, we are helping any people, it is also a form of a service, means a form of a prayer. Okay, it means that when you serve the humanity, it means you are serving to God. Okay, when we are serving, it means you are worshipping God. Okay, so let's start today's class. So here the lesson number 10, first question, it is given that what does the Mukambich home feel like for Kibomi? Okay, so the answer is that Mukambich home feels like an island of peace in the midst of war for Kibomi. Okay, it means that already I have explained you in the lesson that Kibomi feels like that Mukembe's house is like a island, island of peace in the midst of a war for Kibomi. Okay. Now the next question, question number 2, it is given, what do Mr. and Mrs. Mukembe try to do each time they see Kibomi's tearful eyes? Okay, the answer is Mr. and Mrs. Mukembe try to console Kibomi through little generous act of affection each time they see his tearful eyes. Okay, so it's very simple question. Now the question number 3rd. What is the question number 3rd? Question number 3rd, it is here. What does Kibomi observe about the family? So the answer is Kibomi observes that the family is too active. Already in the lesson I have explained you. Always Kibomi is thinking that how they know so many peoples, and family is too active. So many peoples are coming and going whole day. Even on the Saturday and Sunday when the shop is closed, that time also people are coming and going. So that only Kibomi observes that the family is too active. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4, it is given, where does Kibomi go with the Mukambis on Saturday? Okay. So the answer is, on Saturday with the Mukambis, Kibomi goes to the home of Mukambis friends. Okay. Next question, question number 5. Question number 5, it is given, what do the people gathered at the home of Mukembe's friends do? It means what they are doing. So the answer will be, people gathered at the home of Mukembe's friends chat with one another and share news. Okay. Question number 6. What is question number 6? The question number 6, it is given, what is Kibomi surprised to hear at the gathering. It means when Kibomi has gone to the gathering, means that prayer meeting of that Mukembe's friend's house. Okay, so what is Kibomi surprised to hear at the gathering? So the answer is Kibomi is surprised to hear both the Adumbu and Kungu languages. Okay, Kibomi was surprised. He is surprised, Kibomi, when he is listening both the languages, Kungu as well as Adumbu language in the prayer meeting. So that is the answer here. Kibomi is surprised to hear both the Adumbu and Kungu languages. Question number 7. What does Mrs. Mukembe announce at the end of the meeting? The answer is Mrs. Mukembe announces that they have several study circles in their community. A new one will start at her home on Sunday morning, a week from tomorrow. Okay, anyone who is not participating in one is welcome to join them. Okay, so this was the announcement. Next, question number 8. Where do the Mukembe go after the meeting? The answer is after the meeting, the Mukembe go to work in a field. Okay, it means they are not going home. Where they are going to work in a field. Question number 9. What is the crop grown in the community plot used for? The answer is crop grown in the community plot is used for poor and needy people of the community. Okay. Question number 10. Question number 10, this is the last question of this lesson, and it is here given. What does Mrs. Mukembe tell Kibomi about service? The answer is Mrs. Mukembe tells Kibomi about the service, that service is also prayer. Okay. So this is all 10 questions we have completed. Now let's do the activity number 1. So what is activity number 1 here given in the book? Activity number 1, it is a prayer. Okay, so here it is given here. Before starting the prayer, it is explained here. Kibomi meets a community made up of people from different tribes who come together for worship. Okay, starter in the lesson it is given of the prayer, that in activity number 1, that Kibomi meets a community, okay, made up of people from different tribes, like their community, different tribes are together, they are living, okay, together for worship. Okay, they draw on the power of the prayer to strengthen their bonds of love and fellowship. In that community, what is happening? People are using the power of the prayer, okay, to strengthen their bonds. Okay, there is unity in the society, in the community, bonds of love and fellowship. So here it is given a prayer. So given it is asking that read the following prayer and try to memorize it. So let's read this prayer. First I will read this prayer, then I will explain you the prayer, and then after you will learn this prayer. Okay, all the hard words also I will explain you in this prayer. Whatever hard words you will find that it is difficult for you, afterwards I will write the meaning also, you will write in your copy. So here prayer it is given. Okay, here prayer it is given. I am selecting a marker. Good. Now, O God, my God, thou art my hope and my beloved, okay, my highest aim and the desire. With great humbleness and entire devotion, I pray to thee to make me a minaret of thy love and thy land, in thy land, a lamp of thy knowledge among the creature, and a banner of divine bounty in thy dominion. Okay, please try to understand this prayer. So what it is given here, that first line I am explaining. It is asking, in this prayer we are asking, O God, my God, thou art my hope, means you are my hope and my beloved. Okay, you are my hope. Okay, and whenever I am disappointed, I am getting my hope from you only. Okay, so you are my hope and my beloved. Beloved means, what is the meaning of beloved? Anyone is knowing? The meaning of beloved, it is here that much loved, with whom you love more. Okay, so much loved or dearly loved. So we are asking from God, we are saying in this prayer to God that thou art my hope, you are my hope and my beloved. Okay, and then then we are saying that my highest aim and desire, you are my highest aim and my desire. Okay, so first we are saying in this line that to God that you are my hope, my beloved, my highest aim and my desire. Okay, with great humbleness and entire devotion, I pray to thee to make me a minaret of thy love in thy land. Okay, first up to understand here. So what we are asking here to with God, that with great humbleness, we are asking, with great humbleness and entire devotion, with great humbleness and entire devotion. What is devotion means? Feeling of strong affection, with great love, with great affection, we are asking to God with great affection and with humbleness. We are asking to God, I pray to thee to make me a minaret. What is the minaret means? See, first you need to understand minaret. Actually, minaret, it is a tall, exact meaning of minaret here it is that a tall slender tower. Okay, a tall slender tower of an Islamic mosque. What is happening in Islamic mosque? What is there? A tall tower is there, or that a tall slender tower is there. On that, one person, he is praying. That is called ajan. Okay, a person is praying, so a whole community is able to listen the prayer. So that tower is known as the minaret. So we are asking from God here that with great humbleness and entire devotion, I pray to thee to make me a minaret of thy love, of thy land. Okay, here that is a symbolic way minaret here, but I have explained you the meaning of minaret. So here in this prayer we are asking from God that make me a minaret of thy love. Okay, in thy land, in your land you make me a minaret, so from that I can chant your prayer, so whole community can listen the prayer. Okay, a lamp of thy knowledge, you make me the lamp of your knowledge among thy creature. What is lamp is doing? Do you know what is lamp is doing? Whenever darkness is there, when you lit the lamp, then what is happening? Darkness, it is removed, and with the help of lamp, what you can do? You can find the things, you can see your path. Okay, so that only we are asking, you make me a lamp of thy knowledge, you make me the lamp of thy knowledge among the creature, so I can guide the creature. Okay, and a banner of divine bounty in thy dominion. Okay, what is banner? Everyone is knowing the banner, everyone is aware of banner. What is the meaning of banner? Banner means a flag, or you can say like banner we are making any symbol, it is drawn there. So we are asking God to you make me a banner of divine bounty, of your divine bounty. You make me the sign of your divine bounty, or make me the, here meaning of banner means sign. Okay, sign of your divine bounty or in thy dominion. Dominion means kingdom. A kingdom is known as the dominion. In your kingdom you make me the your banner of divine bounty. So this is the prayer. This prayer you will try to learn. Okay, I have explained you the meaning of this prayer. Now I am going to explain you the hard words used in this prayer and some more hard words which is used in this lesson. Okay, now so these are the some hard words. Here first hard word, it is given minaret. What is the meaning of minaret? Already I have explained in the prayer also. Again I am going to explain here. Minaret means tall slender tower of an Islamic mosque from which muezzin recites the azan, that is called prayer. Okay, muezzin, this is the muezzin. Who is the muezzin? What is the meaning of muezzin? Muezzin is the person who is reciting prayer on mosque, on the tower, sitting and reciting the prayer. Okay, so tall slender tower of an Islamic mosque from which muezzin recites the azan or prayer. So that tower is known as the minaret. Okay, next one is the dominion. What is the dominion means? A kingdom. Okay, next word, it is given here humbleness. Already you are knowing the humbleness meaning. Humbleness means the property of being humble. The quality of being humble or the property of being humble is known as the humbleness. Next word, it is the diligence. What is the meaning of diligence? Meaning of diligence is carefulness. In the chapter it is given that Kibomi is hard working and diligence. It means Kibomi is hard working and diligence means careful. It is very much careful about his work. Okay, carefulness. Next one is the console. What is the meaning of console? That to comfort someone in a time of grief or disappointment. If someone is sad or disappointment, in the mode of disappointment, in that time we make that soul comfort, that person make comfort. So this is known as the console. So these are all are the hard words, and these hard words, what you will do, you will note down in your copy, write down and try to learn with their meaning. Okay, now chapter is going to end. Now today's homework, first homework, do the question and answer of lesson 10 in your copy and learn nicely. Next homework is that memorize the prayer of lesson number 10. And the last homework, write and learn the hard words of lesson 10 with their meaning. Okay, these are the homeworks. That's all for today, students. Okay, sorry. Thank you, students. Now see you in next class. Thank you. Bye everyone.